The Walker Exhaust Ultra EPA 5E3508 Direct Fit Catalytic Converter is a premium product that is designed to comply with Environmental Protection Agency standards, ensuring optimal performance for your vehicle. This catalytic converter is compatible with 2003 to 2004 Saturn Ion, making it an ideal replacement part for these specific models. The Direct Fit design allows for easy installation, featuring original equipment manufacturer-style hangers, brackets, routings, and heat shields, eliminating the need for specialized fabrication or welding. With an original equipment manufacturer-style high-technology wash coat and optimal precious metal load, this catalytic converter ensures a reduction in tailpipe emissions to match the vehicle application. The Walker Exhaust Ultra Catalytic Converter boasts of a robust and durable build, characterized by thick original equipment manufacturer-style flanges, hangers, and brackets. To protect your undercarriage from the heat created by the converter, this product features aluminized heat shields, replicating the original equipment design.